Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a keto vanilla ice cream with you, and this is an ice cream you can make without an ice cream machine. So we are going to use our keto condensed milk that I've already shared the recipe for. So please go and check that out. I'm leaving a link on the screen as well as in the description section under the video, so check that out first, and we are going to use that in the recipe to make this ice cream. I'm also quickly showing you the condensed milk recipe here so that just in case you're bored to go there and watch it, you know how to make it. It's a simple recipe, and once you have the condensed milk, the rest of it is almost nothing. So you're going to put this together so quickly once you have your condensed milk ready. So let's go ahead and start the recipe now.
3 cups of fresh cream in a thick bottomed pot, half a cup of erythritol. You can add 2 tablespoons more if you want.
So we're going to let it condense a little more, so let it be on the gas for another 10 minutes or so
till you get a thick consistency. I'm also going to help it with a little bit of xanthan gum, so a pinch of xanthan gum. You can definitely leave it out. If you want a more luxurious condensed milk, at this point you can add 2 tablespoons of butter.
So now that I showed you how to make the condensed milk, we are going to just whip our cream. I could not find whipping cream because recently I'm not able to find whipping cream in India, so I'm just using fresh cream. What I'm going to do here is I have put my cream in the refrigerator, and this particular brand, the water or the liquid and the thick fat separates. So I'm kind of scooping the fat and using that, and I'm going to leave the liquid aside to use in my coffees or anything else. So this is more like a whipping cream, and we are going to whip it with a hand blender. I'm using a vanilla bean too today, so it's going to be a lot more natural and much more vanilla tasting.
So I've split my vanilla bean into two and I'm scooping all of the insides out. This comes out almost like a paste because this was sitting in vanilla essence or vodka. But if you're using a fresh vanilla bean, you can just split it lengthwise and then scoop all the beans out. So don't throw the outer cover. You can put it in chocolate milk or put it in your sugar jar or even in erythritol.
Also, this is a vanilla extract that I made at home. What I did is I have a bunch of vodka and I've put about 7 vanilla beans in this, and you want to put it at room temperature in a dark closet for about 6 months, and you have fresh original vanilla essence ready. And since we are making a vanilla ice cream recipe, you want to go all the way and do your best, and I'm going to add the rest of the things in.
I've added half a cup of condensed milk. Also, you want to give it a taste and make sure that you don't need any more sweetener. I needed a little, so I added some stevia powder and also a pinch of salt.
Beaten that up, and I'm just simply going to put it in the refrigerator, get it out and show you how creamy it is. So because we've whipped our cream and we're using a high fat element, it doesn't crystallize as much. But if you're making an ice cream with milk, a lot of times you'll get the water crystals because most of milk is water. So that's the reason you want to avoid using milk, especially also because it is a high carb thing. So make ice cream with cream, sometimes egg yolks. I have a bunch of ice cream recipes. They are delicious. I have keto frozen yogurt. I have keto frozen custard. I'm going to link all of this in the description as well as on the screen. So check those out. You're going to love those. I have mulberry ice cream too. Let me know if you tried this recipe out, how it turned out for you in the comments section. Also click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. Share my channel with your friends and family who follow a healthy, ketogenic or a low carb or a diabetic lifestyle. And thanks for watching. Bye.